All right, now we're talking about experiments with equally likely outcomes. Now we're actually going to start including fractions in this, okay? So just bear with me and follow as I'm going. So they say to you, a box contains an equal number of blue activity cards and yellow activity cards. A card is drawn, its color is recorded, and then replaced. So that tells you that's one turn. It is then repeated 2 more times. So 1 and 2 gives you 3. Draw a tree diagram to represent the situation, and then complete the possibilities on each branch for each final outcome. So the first thing you're going to do is, they said blue and yellow, and you know that it happens 3 times. So you've got your blue and yellow that you start with. You branch those off into blue and yellow. That's your second, and then you branch those off, each of those branches, to make a third. And how I always tell is the columns 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you start off there. So you go blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. You know how to do that. Okay. Now, the second part of it said, complete with the probabilities on each branch. Well, you've got blue or yellow, so you've got half a chance there, and you have half a chance there. So you're actually going to put your fraction in on either side, half and half. Then are you going to get blue or yellow activity card? There's a half and a half chance on that as well. And a blue and a yellow is a half and a half chance. Okay, so basically, because you've got 2, you're actually going to divide it by 2, and dividing it by 2 is half. If you had 3 different options, each one would be a third. Okay, but in this instance, it's a half. Then you do your outcomes like we've done before, and we go B, 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 and we write B, B, B. But then before we continue, we go a half times a half times a half. So we take our same line and we multiply the fractions and we write them down, which gives you an eighth. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? And then we go your next one, which is it starts from blue, blue, yellow. So there's your blue, blue, yellow, half, half, half. And it gives you, they're all going to give you 1/8. And then you get, and then you've got the probabilities. We're going to move on to where they start asking the questions. But I just want you to get this understanding first of all. So just remember that if there were 3 of these, you would divide it into thirds. If there were 4, it would be quarters. Okay? And then you would divide it into 4 again, so those would be quarters. All right? And then make sure you write your little sums up on the side. All right, I want you to start and go ahead and do the first part of this exercise, and then I'll put a video on just for the second part.